What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. So, we sold one of the trucks. Now, I took a poll on YouTube earlier and we got about 1,000 votes on it. And of those 1,000, here's what you guys had to say. So the majority of you thought I should sell the C20. And I'm happy to announce that's exactly what I did today. I did sell the C20 and I sold it for $4,500. Which leaves me at a loss of about 23-ish, somewhere around $2,300. The guy that came and got it, shout out to him in case he watches this video because he does know I do YouTube. He's putting the headers on it. He loves the truck. I'm telling you, the guy came out and just fell in love with it. And he bought it like just that. The first person that came out bought it for $45,000, and while he came, another guy showed up right after he had paid for it, which was a little awkward. But the truck has a new owner. The gentleman that bought it is happy. I got $4,500 in my pocket, which gives me some extra spending money to maybe find a flip car from Copart. Maybe, just maybe, put a Edelbrock Thunder AVS 800 CFM carburetor. Maybe put an Edelbrock RPM air gap intake. There's a few other things. Maybe headers, maybe exhaust, maybe. Then again, maybe not. I don't know. I don't know what my plans are right now, but I'm definitely looking at some cars at Copart and IAA. Definitely going to put this money in the bank right now as soon as I get out of here. We got things to do. So I just wanted to make this video to let you guys know what the poll results were and to let you know what my decision was and how it turned out. I'm happy. I know there's a lot of people out there that would, probably cry over losing $2,300, but it's part of the game, man. It's part of what I do when I'm doing this stuff as a hobby. Now, when I'm actually trying to flip cars for money, this is not the goal. But I don't mind losing money on these hobbies. I really don't. It doesn't bother me at all. I had originally listed the truck at $55,000, and I only got a couple bites on it at $55,000. So I decided I'd drop it down to $45,000 and see what happens. And, $45,000 was the right number for a quick sale. If I had left it at $55,000, it would have sold. I saw some people comment on one of my previous videos saying you'll never get anywhere near $5,000 for that truck. Well, you're wrong. I did get almost $5,000, and I could have gotten $5,000. I could have. If I had been more patient, willing to wait a little longer, we could have pulled $5,000 out of that thing fairly easily. But I posted it like I do typically on some of these hobby vehicles. When I get a new one, I post it cheap, I sell it, and I move on, and I have fun because that's what this channel is about. It's about having fun. There are flip cars that I need to make money on, but these hobbies, this is just for enjoyment. I get a lot of satisfaction out of working on them. I enjoy doing videos and sharing them with you guys. This is great for me. Plus, I think a lot of people forget that YouTube actually pays me. I made $6,000 on YouTube last month, and I'm making $4,000 this month. So, I'm happy with the way things are going. And for those of you out there, the few that criticize me for losing money on cars, hey man, spend your money how you want, do what you want with your money, but leave me alone to spend mine how I want and to do what I want with it. For the rest of you that are polite and you're respectful, hey, I absolutely appreciate you. For the haters, go troll on someone else's channel because all you're going to get is banned from mine. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I made a good decision selling the C20. Give the video a big thumbs down if you think I made a horrible decision selling the C20. But from the last video, the likes and dislikes showed that you guys thought I should sell the C20. And then I ran an actual poll, and it showed that you thought I should sell the C20. So it seems like you guys are on the same wavelength as me, and that the Ford is better overall for what I need and for what I'm looking for. So I'm glad that the majority of us were able to, agree on that. As always, guys, stay safe out there. I'll catch you soon in the next one.